everybody, just like to say, a last final video. I'll probably say you'd be glad to hear the end of my yabbering, but I sent that image to Jess and she likes it. She is very, very impressed with it, which I'm happy about. Yay! So yeah, that's my thing done. It only took a month to do, but that's because I'm lazy. So, you know. Actually, no, it might have been 2 months. Yeah, because it was May. Did leave it off for a month, though. But, yeah. So, yawning there. A bit tired. Now I've got to find out what my next art project is. I want to do something, but I don't know what. If any guys have any guys have heard of the Hunger Games, I want to do something with that. It looks really, really cool, and the new posters come out, and it's all fire and looks really, really cool. I want to try and do that, but I'm trying to look on YouTube for tutorials on how to paint fire with acrylics. Not working at all, but fingers crossed I'll do something and it won't look shit. I hope it doesn't, but you know. But so I want to make some Talking About Sunday merchandise. I don't know, maybe a canvas or some shoes or anything like that, because there's going to be a signing for them on the 24th. It's the 22nd of July now, but I mean the 24th of August, sorry. So I've got a month. If any of you have any ideas of what I can do, I've been trying to think, but I don't want to subject it to just the lead singer, because then I feel quite tight on the other band members, because all of them are going to do it, because the signing, they just said one item and everyone's going to be taking, you know, CD covers and stuff like that, posters. So I want to make my own thing, so it's like personal, and hopefully they'll like it as well. So yay, I'm really excited for that. Sorry for talking so much. I'm really, really excited. I'm just kind of catching up on all the Comic-Con stuff on Breaking Dawn, and it looks really cool. Gotta wait till like Sunday though, with the catch-ups on Snow White and the Huntsman, like Kristen's new franchise movie, because it looks really cool. I like all the kind of twisted fairy tale stuff. It looks pretty interesting. So this will be my last video on this, but I'm not sure if I'll come up with some ideas of doing something else, but sure, we'll find out. So for now, I'd like to say ta-ra. Bye bye.